Hello, and welcome to Golden Life Wellness. Today, we are going to explore 5 everyday habits that quietly boost your heart health. These are simple actions you can start today, and they can make a real difference in your well-being. If you are over 50, this video is especially for you. Let's begin. Habit number 1 is walking. You might think of walking as a basic activity, but regular walking, even for just 20 to 30 minutes a day, strengthens your heart, improves circulation, and helps manage blood pressure. Imagine yourself walking through a quiet park, the crisp air filling your lungs. Each step you take is a gentle workout for your heart. You don't need a treadmill or a gym membership. Just put on comfortable shoes and enjoy a stroll. Over time, you may notice your energy levels increasing and your heart beating stronger and more steadily. Habit number 2 is mindful eating. Paying attention to what you eat can profoundly impact your heart health. Focus on incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals. Reduce salt, sugar, and processed foods. Try to enjoy your food slowly, savoring each bite. Mindful eating is not about restriction, but about nurturing your body. Every healthy choice is a gift to your heart. Picture yourself preparing a colorful salad, feeling proud of the care you are giving to yourself. Habit number 3 is staying hydrated. Drinking enough water keeps your blood flowing smoothly and supports your heart in pumping efficiently. Older adults sometimes forget to drink enough water. Make it a habit to sip water throughout the day. Carry a small bottle with you, or set gentle reminders. Feeling the cool water quench your thirst is a simple yet powerful act for heart health. Hydration also helps your energy, concentration, and overall mood, creating a ripple effect of well-being. Habit number 4 is managing stress. Chronic stress can silently strain your heart. Finding simple ways to relax can make a significant difference. Gentle stretching, deep breathing, or listening to calming music are excellent options. You might enjoy a quiet moment in your garden, or by a window watching the sunrise. Stress management is not just a luxury. It is a daily practice that protects your heart and soothes your mind. Imagine the relief in your chest as you exhale slowly, feeling lighter, calmer, and more centered. Habit number 5 is prioritizing sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, including your heart. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night. Create a peaceful environment, dim lights, comfortable bedding, and a quiet room. Avoid screens right before bed, and try gentle stretches or meditation to help you drift off. Quality sleep supports your heart by regulating blood pressure, reducing inflammation, and keeping your energy steady. Think of sleep as a kind, restorative hug for your heart every night. In addition to these 5 habits, remember the importance of regular medical checkups. Your doctor can help monitor your heart health and provide guidance tailored to you. Combining these habits with routine healthcare is a powerful strategy for a long, vibrant life. Celebrate small victories. Each healthy choice, each walk, each sip of water, each restful night of sleep adds up. Your heart will thank you in ways you can feel and enjoy every day. Remember, it's never too late to start caring for your heart. Begin with one habit, then gradually add more. Consistency is key, not perfection. Your heart is resilient, and every positive action you take strengthens it, nurtures it, and protects it. Let these habits become gentle companions in your daily life. Imagine the joy of moving freely, feeling energetic, and living with peace of mind. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, inspiring, or comforting, please subscribe to Golden Life Wellness for more guidance on healthy living and fitness. designed specifically for seniors. Let's continue this journey together, nurturing our hearts and enjoying the golden years to their fullest.